Hello. In today's modern urban lifestyle, our body goes through a lot of stress due to poor nutrition, pollution, dust, mental and physical exertion, which over a period of time starts to show up on our body and most of all on our face, on our skin. All these factors, they add up and they can lead to changes in our skin earlier than what is expected in the form of early aging, pigmentation, dullness, enlarged or clogged pores. Because our skin is a living structure and the whole layers of the skin, they get replaced every 21 days. Your skin needs a constant management and maintenance for a long period of time. We at Healing Hospital are pleased to announce HydraFacial, which is a very simple, non-invasive and painless method to revitalize and rejuvenate your skin. It can be used to treat early signs of aging, pigmentation, patchy skin, dullness, clogged or enlarged pores, and can be used as a treatment option which can be tailor-made according to your needs. There are various steps to HydraFacial. First of all, we deep cleanse your skin with the help of a suction probe which delivers suction and infuses various serums which are targeted towards your needs. This helps to deep cleanse your skin and remove the dead skin cells. The second step is extraction of your whiteheads, blackheads and unclogging your pores. This is a fairly painless method which is not very uncomfortable for most of the patients. This helps to take out the extra sebum from your skin to decongest it. The third step involves using radiofrequency and cooling handles which can be used according to patient as a method of anti-aging or decongesting your skin, reducing the redness of your skin. The fourth step is infusion of serums which are targeted and tailor-made for your needs. For example, for glow, treatment of dullness, treatment of pigmentation, for hydration, and this can range from use of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, azelaic acid, vitamin C, even glutathione if you need. The fifth step is use of masks which can be depigmenting or smoothing according to what you need, and these are used to lock in the moisturizer and the previous serums which had been used on your face. This procedure is fairly simple and is tailor-made for adults of both the genders and can be changed according to what and when you need it. What you have to keep in your mind is before you start with the sessions, make sure you have a consultation with your dermatologist so that your facial can be customized according to your need instead of the standard procedure methods or protocols which have already been formed. Refrain from using any actives like vitamin C, glycolic acid or retinoids 3 days prior to your session. And after you're done with your session, make sure that for the next 2 to 3 days you avoid direct sun exposure, dust, sweating, use of makeup or the actives that you had been previously using. There can be a little bit of redness, but usually it resolves over 5 to 6 hours and there is no downtime for this procedure. The results are immediate, but they continue to improve over the next 24 to 48 hours. So therefore, if you are getting your HydraFacial done for any event, any party or any function, make sure you visit us at least 3 to 4 days prior to that event. Now, HydraFacial is offered by many parlors and salons these days. It is a very easily available modality, but the difference lies where you go for your facial. When you're getting your facial done from a dermatologist in a clinical setup, the difference is that the serums that are used, they are regulated serums which have been tried, tested and are FDA approved. We know the endpoint and the improvements the serums have, what they're targeted for, and if any complications that can happen, so that we can counsel you accordingly. The difference with parlors is you will get this treatment very readily available, probably at a lesser price. But the thing is, what they're using, we don't know. And if they're using any serums at all for that matter, it might just be plain water that has been used for suction and plain water that has been used to massage with the different probes. Even if they're using any serums, they might be too aggressive with the facial, which might end up in causing allergies, redness, rashes, burning sensations, pigmentation, which becomes much more difficult to treat even by a dermatologist. Therefore, get a HydraFacial done. It's a very easily available cosmetic procedure. Get it done whenever you need. Usually the time between 2 sessions is about 4 to 6 weeks or whenever you feel the need. So make sure if you decide to go for a HydraFacial, get it done in a clinical setup where you're well informed of what is being used on your face. We at Healing Hospital keep patient safety and satisfaction as our priority. So if you decide to go for a HydraFacial, visit me, Dr. Komal Sharma, consultant dermatologist at Healing Hospital, Sector 34, Chandigarh. Thank you.